Welcome to RunRun Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Today I want to show you some awesome finds, but first, make sure you're downloading that app, going into the categories, and finding exactly what you want from the videos today. With that being said, let's show you what I got. You can pretty much find any and everything on RunRun Deals. All you need to do is follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and also download the app. This is what I was able to find that every household needs or every household wants. Pool party, cookout, classroom, anywhere you need one, here it is right here. This right here is a portable mode speaker. Check it out. We're going to go inside a little bit deeper, so I want to show you what it looks like. All right, everyone, I want you to check out this OontZ Angle 3 dual speaker. I love it because it's nice and black, very simple color. I love the shape of it. As you can see, it's like a pyramid shape, nice and sleek. This is waterproof, and also it's compatible with both iPhone and Android, which is awesome. Check this out. You will need this at a cookout. You will need it at the party. You will need this while you're cooking. It's just a cool little speaker just for you. I got this on RunRun Deals. So you didn't see anything exciting today to purchase on RunRun Deals? No problem. Just go ahead to the category part on their app and there you go. Find your item. Why wouldn't you do it?